Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about nested if-else and if-elif-else ladder conditional statements. So at first we will discuss about the syntax of nested if-else. At first know what is nested if-else. So nested if-else is when we use if-else inside another if-else, that is called nested if-else. So the syntax of nested if-else is at first if, then condition, and then colon. Inside the if block we have to declare another if-else. We can keep else part, or we can skip else part. That is also a nested if. And when we use if and else both, that is called nested if else both. So inside the if block we use if and then again a condition. Then regarding the condition we have the statement, and if the condition is false we have else part, and also we have the statement for else part. Similarly, if this condition is false, then else part will execute. So in this else part we have also a if condition and we have also else part. This is the syntax. Now let's understand this syntax, how this syntax will work. So at first any condition that we requirement in the program, so the condition will at first check in this if condition, if block. Then if the condition is satisfied in outer loop, if the condition is satisfied in upper or outer if, then it will move to inner if condition. If the inner condition is satisfied, then the if statement will execute. Otherwise, the else part will execute. Similarly, if outer if condition is false, then else part will execute. So in else part we have again a if else part. So and then again in this else part we have a condition. If this condition is true, then this statement will execute. But if this condition is false, then this else part will execute. So in this way this nested if else works. So let us understand the nested if else using a program. So here's the question. If a number is even, we also need to check. At first the question is check number divisibility. So if a number is even, we also need to check whether the number is divisible by 6. If the number is even, then we will check also the number is divisible by 6 or not. And if the number is odd, we need to check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. So in this problem we have to use nested if else. So let us take a number from the user for check divisibility of number. So number int input, enter the number. So in this way you know the syntax for taking number from the user. And now check the number is at first even or not. So if number modulus 2 equal to 0, then it is even. Then we will check also if that is number even, then we will also check the number is divisible by 6 or not. So if number modulo 6 equal to 0, then we will print the number is divisible by 6, else print the number is even but not divisible by 6. Here we can also give message the number is even and divisible by 6. Then we will write else part for outer if else, else if the number is odd, if this condition is false, then the number is odd. So we will now write condition for odd. If number divisible by 3 or not. So print the number is odd and divisible by 3, else the number is odd but not divisible by 3. So our program is done. So let's run this program. Here ask the message, enter the number. So let's give the number 6, that is obviously even and divisible by 6. So look, the number is even and divisible by 6. Then run again for else part inside the if block. So 8 is even but not divisible by 6. So let's put 8. So now look, the number is even but not divisible by 6. So let's run again for else part. So 9 is even odd but and also divisible by 3. So look, the number is odd and divisible by 3. So let's try and run again and to check the else part of inner outer else. And let's 7 obviously odd number but not divisible by 3. So look, the number is odd but not divisible by 3. So thank you for watching this video and keep practice to learn something new, and if there is any doubt then you can ask me and I will reply you. Thanks for watching this video and share this video to your friends so that they can also understand the concept.